I'll be showing you feedback summarization, which comes as part of Now Assist for strategic portfolio management. Here I am in the strategic planning workspace, and I have come to the product feedback module that is there. And here, as you can see, I have my feedback filters that are there, and I can go into any of the feedback filters, assuming that I am a product manager for employee products. I've created a separate feedback filter for monitoring all the feedback that is coming for employee products. I can go into that. I can look at the list of feedbacks that I've been receiving from different people. As a product manager, we typically get feedbacks which are unstructured, and it is time consuming in order to go through each and every one of them and come to a conclusion or an insight from them. So I can now, with Now Assist for strategic portfolio management, I can go into a feedback. And instead of going through all this lengthy feedback that is there and which is typically time consuming for me as a product manager, installing Now Assist for strategic portfolio management will now give you the ability to summarize the feedback that you have received quickly and gain insights from it. We are using GenAI by taking the name and the description and giving a succinct summary to the product manager. So I can simply come here and click on summarize that is there on the feedback record, and it will give me a succinct summary of what the feedback is, and I can gain insights from this. This will allow me to save time and also improve my efficiency and also improve my product make decision skills as well. Thank you.